We will talk about Asian green mussels as a vehicle exhaust filter.
Invention name is Shasov
Next,
Pernaviridis Asian green mussel as a exhaust filter. Next.
our market case is identify product where there is a need for development reason to make an item or development is that take care of a specific issue that client needs in our current reality where everything is as of now created. There are some that figure out how to enhance a new development to improve item. Next,
Next.
User story. Uh, one of the one of the mass transportation system used in the area are tricycles. About 200 tricycles operate in Los Baños. Abigail Rubiano and her fellow students from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, noticed that the exhaust coming from these tricycles have reached significant levels. Using their knowledge in chemical engineering, they have provided a cheap solution to the problem. Next.
Statistics about the market. DENR records show that the current rate of air quality in the Philippines doesn't meet its Clean Air Act standards. While the air pollution rate has gone down by 20%, it still has met ideal levels. The leading contributors to air pollution is vehicle emission. It contributes about 69% to Metro Manila's air pollution. Next.
Next is the product case. The Pernaviridis exhaust filter is composed of 3-inch diameter ring locks with screws and bolts and washers. Thin metal sheet and they filter. This made out of medical gauze surrounding the cells inside which were put into pieces inside the exhaust of the jeepney or tricycles. Next.
claims it gives the Asian green muscles absorbs air pollution. It filters the pollutants released by the vehicle's exhaust because of the presence of calcium carbonate contained in Asian green muscles, which absorbs air pollutants such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and hydrocarbons. Next,
Competitors. DMAC Electric Transportation Philippines Incorporated is a domestic subsidiary of DMAC Corporation, a pioneer in Japanese electric vehicle industry. Next.
Next. Claims. Competitors. Competitors are the Philippine Utility Vehicle and electric jeepney as a part of innovation project that aims to use energy from biodegradable waste from city wet markets. Next.
So these are the SWOT analysis. The strengths are cheaper and affordable tricycles and jeepneys. The product claims contains calcium carbonate that can absorb air pollutants. The weakness are lack of marketing. No, it's not known in the country. No technology acquired, and drivers are not interested. Opportunities LGUs can provide and install these filters for gasoline tricycles and diesel jeepneys. It can help all owners of cars, not only for the jeeps and tricycles and buses. Threats are electric jeeps and electric tricycles. Difficult to compete with big establishments and the small source of Asian green mussels. Next.
process case. Philippines has a problem in terms of pollution. Metro Manila is the most polluted area in the country where industrial and heavy waste of automobiles are dominant here in the city. One of the most contributors smog here in the Philippines are the automobiles such as jeepneys and tricycles. These transportations are very popular and accessible for the every Filipino nationwide. Hence, these automobiles releases carbon monoxide because of the combustion of the engine affecting the environmental society. Next.
Process. Clean green mussels shells dried for 24 hours, carbonated by burning them inside aluminum foil for likely 3 hours. Shells are grinded or pounded manually. Next.
Shells are weighed using a triple beam balance. Shells is tested on activated cargo by exposing the mass to emit gas at least 1 minute and insert into exhaust to measure the gas emission. Next.
This is an example of the process. Distribution is to convince tricycle drivers to adopt this innovation. After conducting seminar, the effects of the air pollution to the environment, the proponents were able to gain approval of the tricycle drivers. Hence, private car owners, UV jeepneys, and other kinds of automobiles who emits air pollutants are highly recommended to use this kind of product to cleaning the air and be part of a good creating of a good ecosystem. Next.
Business case. Business description. The business will provide good emission for automobiles here in the Philippines. Cheaper and more affordable. The business will benefit both parties, such as drivers and the community. Since it's already invented and very economical, we wanted to market and produce this product and show it to the community that this organism has a lot of benefits in terms of contributing to our ecosystem. Next.
And this is for our key partners. Next.
Key activities and key resources. Next.
Value proposition. This is the value proposition is to provide a healthy, useful product and help lessen the harmful effect caused by air pollutants and promote climate change.
Customer relationship, professional, conversational, reliable social media interaction, channels, wholesalers, businesses, retailers, manufacturers, internet marketplaces. Next.
And here are customer segment and cost structure. Next.
These are the revenue streams: transaction sales, indirect sales, licensing, and retail. Next.
Strategic planning, internal environment analysis determine the strengths and weakness of the business, especially the cost because the product has not yet implemented. Next.
Determines the business opportunities and threats based on the evaluation. The product may seem to have difficulty in raising brand awareness to the market and since it is a new invention. Next.
Formulating objective. The goal of this product is to help and reduce the pollutants the air of the Philippines. Thus, the Filipino community will benefit if this product is widely used in the transportation system of the Philippines, such as UV Express, jeepneys, buses.
Strategic planning, identifying opportunities and threats. Opportunities in this business is that it focuses on the benefits to help the environment and making sure that those who are part of this business community will make a difference to stand and clean our air. Next.
Strategic planning. The one of the alternative strategies is to create a new kind of filter such as made out of Asian green mussel. This product can also benefit of the automobiles because it will cleanse the air going to cabin of the automobile for fresher oxygen and less hazardous air. This So one of the example is this kind of image. It's inserted into the engine of the automobile, such as tricycle, jeeps, and buses. Next.
The action plan, the product of the inventor developed is a filter made from crushed mussels that cleans tricycle exhaust. Mussels contain calcium carbonate that can absorb air pollutants. The procedure is simple. It works by wrapping the crushed mussels into guys and placing it inside the metal cylinder, which is to be attached to the exhaust pipe. They use the technology from waste to create useful product that can be used for motor vehicles. On the other hand, the project spearheaded by Professor Emeritus of UPLB. The product then tested by convincing tricycle drivers to use innovated product and then approved by the drivers. Next.
Strategic plan. The patent is for sale and the product will be available to be offered by different distribution channel according to the business model canvas. Next,
Next, the tool matrix. So these are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So quit, I will not read and I'll continue further. Next.
So this is our mission and vision. Our vision aims to be one of the leading brands that produces vehicle exhaust filter mainly from Asian green muscle with effectiveness and safer alternative exhaust for vehicles, and a mission to bring new innovation of vehicle exhaust filter, being a more effective performance and safer for vehicles to customers. A business that will continue to produce a safer and eco-friendly products. So next,
Mark.
Objectives is to encourage our Filipino operators, drivers, and LGU to promote this kind of product because it's for the better living of our community. It's all about to provide better air, to be resourceful, to offer a product, and to gain revenue from it. Next,
So these are the key results area. First, the marketing strategy to increase the awareness of the product, customer support, improve the relationship of the customer, and give satisfaction to our customer. Product management to ensure that the product is safe and effective. Uh, Employee to motivate and increase their productivity. Organization capability, innovate and upgrade the product for it to be more reliable and long lasting. Next, JC.
Strategies to ensure that product is really effective, efficient, and eco-friendly. Uses the distribution channel they have and positions product as more efficient product. This move will attract many people who are considered being conservative in our community. It made sure that employees are given leave of absence when they needed without sacrificing the productivity level. To inform our customers that the product is made of natural resource, which is very useful and helps the environment clean by recycling the shell being thrown. Research on method to be used for the filter that needs to be done from scratch, like the Asian green mussel. Next.
So these are the programs. Product quality program to ensure the product benefits, characteristics, and performance of the product to persuade the customers um, work close to suppliers, inspect and get rid of defected products. Moreover, employees should be capable of checking and inspecting the product beforehand because quality is more than just making a good product. Um, to be customer driven quality program, to make sure that the product has the quality after sale. Associate program provides commission for marketing at another person's company and will help grow their business. through websites and other brick and mortar stuff. Next.
And the employee orientation program and product improvement. Go next.
So these are the activities: purchasing department, product management, marketing department, financial department, HR department, research development. So one of the main objectives here are encourage the customers and suppliers to promote the product, and um, in HR department, the objective is to hire, organize, train the employees, and develop their skills. Next.
Next. Go next. Next.
Next.
And
And these are the tasks. Next.
the next view. And our resources. These assets are expected to set up incentives for the clients. These are the advantage and relied upon to proceed support business. The assets are classified into four primary classification and intellectual resources, and that's all. Next.
And finally, physical resources. The business needs facilities, inventories, equipment, factories, and manpower to operate the business. And in human resources, it is one of the most important resource because creativity and knowledge are part of these sectors. Inventors who created this are part of the sector, and that includes investors and people who works for them. So thank you, and
You.
Thank you.
thank
This
you.
is all the resources.
These are the links.
Okay, sir. Thank you.